Today I will simply teach you a frosted glass shape effect. Create a new composition. Drag in the background material. Frame out a shape layer. Fill with white, no stroke. Open the rectangle path. You can modify parameters to change the shape. Try making an animation of a shape appearing from nothing. Select the shape layer. Add layer style, bevel, and emboss blending options. Click Advanced Blending. Change fill opacity to 10. Change size to 3. Highlight opacity 100. Change shadow color to pure white. Shadow opacity 100. Shadow mode green. Change angle to 31. Add inner shadow to the layer style. Opacity 100. Distance 0. Size 128. Change the color to pure white as well. Press Ctrl D to duplicate a layer. Delete the layer style of the original layer. Rename the original layer to Effect. Click the Adjustment Layer button above. Add a fast box to the effect layer. Blur effect radius none. Add displacement map effect again. Change displacement layer to new layer. Horizontal and vertical displacement are 30 and -30 respectively. New layer negative link to the effect layer. Add chromatic aberration. Adjusted effect. Change position to 3. You can observe the changes after modification. Add noise HLS again. Change brightness to 2. New layer. Assign the parameters in the rectangle path to the effect layer as well. After changing the shape, it will update accordingly. Similarly, assign the rectangle transform parameters to the effect layer as well. After assigning the text negative in the glass frame to the effect layer, adding some keyframes will make them appear together.